Today is such a hot day. It's really scorching. You sure are thirsty, laughs Mommy.
Mommy, can Mr. Rabbit and Miss Tortoise come here to play? It's too hot for them to be outside.
Of course they can. You can go and get them. But wear your cap so you don't get sunburn.
Miss Tortoise, are you awake?
Hello, Musti. It's so hot outside.
Everybody's feeling hot, says Musti. That's why I'm wearing a cap, to protect me from the sun. Mommy and Daddy said I have to drink plenty of water.
I could use some water too. Not just to drink, but to cool myself off. My shell feels as if it's going to melt in this heat.
I've got an idea, says Musti. Come with me. I'll make it rain for you.
What are you doing? Where are we going?
Just a minute. We're almost there. And now I'm going to make it rain for you.
That was a bit of a shock for a moment, but it feels wonderful. The water is lovely and cool. I'm completely refreshed. Hey, guys!
So why are you two making so much noise? What's going on here? How come you're all wet?
Because it's been raining, says Miss Tortoise. Just ask Musti. He's the rainmaker.
What do you mean? We haven't had a drop of rain here for weeks. It's baking hot. Even in my burrow, I'm gasping for a drop of water.
That's no problem, says Musti.
I'm ready. Bring it on. Oh, yeah! Oh, water. Musti, you're a real magician. Say your magic spell again, Musti.
Sorry, but it won't help. The water's all gone. There's no more left in the hose. We'll just have to wait for some real rain.
I thought that was really fun, says Miss Tortoise.
Me too,
Whoops Mr. Rabbit.
Can we play another game now?
That's the reason I came looking for you. Mommy says we can play in my house all day where it's cool. Do you think that's a good plan?
It's not just good, it's super good,
says Mr. Rabbit. And I think it's a good plan too, because I'm starting to get all hot under my shell again.
And my fur is completely dry.
Come on then. I'll make you both a sun hat. A paper sun hat. Huh? Huh?